Hi Rashmi,
Hello, ma'am.
how are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
Yeah, I'm good, Rashmi. This is Aruna from Quality Department, Rashmi. I just want to take a feedback interview from your side. So
Okay.
before starting that, first of all, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, can you introduce about yourself, Rashmi, your earlier studies, your hometown, and all? So presently, what you're doing?
Okay. I'm Rashmi. I have completed my graduation in SGBIT Institute of Technology, Belgaum. Like past 2 3 years, I was working in a private sector. First was a consultancy office, and later I used to work under for the class one road contractor. I worked there about 2 years. Then later, I've joined CMTI course. Yeah.
Okay. So how did you get to know about CMTI, Rashmi?
Okay, when I used to work in like previous office, I was like I want to learn something more. I want to grow more. There was no growth over there. One of my friend works here in Bangalore, so he suggested like there's a CMTI institution. If you want to know more about that details, I have a sir who teaches there. You go and consult him, or you talk to him, you'll get to know about the details. So I got to know about the institution to Chippe sir. So he explained me what is this institution, what all they do here. So I just got convinced with it, okay, fine. No, so I joined this institution here.
Okay. So what and all you learned in CMTI apart from your syllabus? So what was the new thing you learned here?
Okay, here we have those subjects like which like where in colleges they don't teach us about actually. So here we they're like cut list, SketchUps. They even take for site visits. They even teach us about how to do layout, orientation, and SketchUp classes will be held. And like many more subjects are there.
Okay.
So
Okay, fine. So see, what about our trainer Natarajan sir and Ashok sir, the CEO of CMTI? Like, how was his guidance for the career as well as the interview?
First day when we met Ashok sir, like he said, what is this institution about? What are things are going to be like? Hearing his speech, I felt like okay, I should join this institute. So many things are here to learn. I was very much excited to learn here. Then later, one by one, I got to know every subject teachers like Natarajan sir, then Santosh sir, Yashas sir, like many more teachers there who teaches different subjects. Like even Natarajan sir, like he teaches us site layout, orientation, and methodology, rate analysis. He teaches very well. He clears all the doubts. First, he takes all the sessions, and later he asks us like there will be interaction with the students. Then he will ask us questions. I would like we never get bored. He makes fun also all teachers are very good, very well trained here. So we'll get to learn more knowledge here about all the subjects.
Yeah. So what about your confidence level, Rashmi, before joining CMTI and after joining CMTI? So can you tell me about that?
Okay, like usual, like my confidence was like average before joining here. I attended interviews and before, but that was okay, like kind of interviews and all. So when I came here, after getting the knowledge of each and every subject, my confidence level was like a top. Then first, like if you have the knowledge, then a confidence level will be very much top. Then conference it was very good here. Now it is not like before. It is very much high now.
Okay. So yeah, what about your interview process, Rashmi? How was that, and how did you crack the interview?
Okay, interview, like it was my first interview here after joining CMTI institution. So I had two round interview. Like first round I was very much scared actually, what questions they might ask, like how will I interact with them, and it was online, so I was very much scared. but still I tried to answer all questions. Then after first interview, I got like what I should improve on, what I should study, my confidence level. It was like upgraded for second round. So second round, I was very much confident actually. So I was prepared for that subject completely. I got to know what I have to do, what I have not to do. Then I got cleared in second round. Then I got a job.
Okay. So what about CMTI app, Rashmi?
Yeah.
So how did that help you?
Okay. CMT app, like it's very good. Okay, like we'll get to know all the subjects, may all the whatever subjects where they are teaching here offline. They will be having like online. We get those all the lessons online also. There will be recorded sessions, and like the teaching is very much clear in the online classes. So the app is very good. We'll get to know very much in deep about all the subjects.
Okay.
It's good.
So what about CMTI staff? How was their coordination throughout the process?
Yeah, like CMTI staff is very good. Like they respond to each and every doubts or like whatever we have to say. All the staff and teachers they respond to our doubts and clear our doubts, and their management like it's very good. And yeah, it's good.
Okay. So how was the coordination for the placements by Deepa ma'am and HR Shweta ma'am? Can you tell about that?
Yeah, like HR ma'am, Shweta ma'am, like she's very good. Like I got like she gave me a very much good opportunity in a very best company actually. Like I would really like to thank her for that. It's like I was very much happy like after placing in that company. So yeah, HR team, Deepa ma'am, all are very good. They have supported me very well throughout.
Okay. So finally, Rashmi, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors?
Okay, so like I would really like to tell you guys that you should come and join this institution. They have online and offline classes both. So if you come online, like you'll be having site visits, and like they'll be taking you to sites and ask you to do the work. Like yeah, you should come and join this. They have even good placement opportunities here, so you should make a career soon. Like there is no second thought about joining this institution. So just go, guys. Just go and join this institution.
Okay. So thank you so much, Rashmi, for your
Thank you,
feedback.
ma'am.
I wish all the best for your future. And
Thank you, ma'am.
once again, congratulations for your placements, Rashmi.
Thank you,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much.
Thank you.